Indian troops have arrested two Kashmiri youth in the Baramulla and the Pulwama districts. The youth, identified as Shaukat Ahmed, was detained by the personnel of the Indian Army and Central Reserve Police Force during a search operation in the Baramulla district. Another youth was arrested by the Indian troops during a cordon and search operation in the Tral area of the Pulwama district. All parties Hurriyat Conference has called on India to release all political prisoners, including the Hurriyat leadership, and repeal the repressive laws to foster conducive environment for dialogue involving India, Pakistan, and the genuine representatives of the occupied Kashmir to resolve the long-standing dispute. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, talking to Kashmir Media Service over phone from Srinagar, emphasized that Jammu and Kashmir is a United Nations recognized disputed territory. Local civil rights activists have condemned the Modi-led Indian regime for a systematic campaign of repression against the people of occupied Kashmir. The civil rights activists in the media interviews in Srinagar said that fake cases are being framed against the Kashmiris, reflecting New Delhi's frustration over their resolve for right to self-determination. Occupied Kashmir Congress Chief Tariq Hamid Karra has termed the governance in the territory hazy, expressing concerns over the lack of the clarity regarding the roles and responsibilities in the newly formed setup. Speaking to reporters in Srinagar, Karra highlighted the unprecedented governance challenges in the territory, describing the current setup as a transitional phase in occupied Kashmir. Two individuals lost their lives in separate incidents in occupied Kashmir. In the Riasi district, a chemist shopkeeper Amir Lone was found dead under mysterious circumstances after slipping from a mountain.